See that wire broke. See it broke fully. Black wire ain't that no more. Alright, what you wanna do? Usually where you charge it with the black wire connects to this one right here. You wanna just bend that where where you be charging it with the crack wires. You wanna bend that part. You wanna get your fingernail, lift it up, bend it, and the little black wire, it's not here no more because I stripped it and bent it. After you strip it, the black wire, you just want to grab your fingernails or a knife, strip the rubber off that. Alright, excuse me, I'm sick, by the way. That's why I sound like this. But you want to strip it and it'll look like that. You bend it all down. Make sure it touch that. See, look, this shit ain't gonna hit. It's broke. Broken, see? Now watch when it touch this. Hold up. You gonna see. You see what I'm saying? Now look. It didn't hit, right? But look, it touched this. Now watch. See that? Now you close it. Sometimes all the way, sometimes halfway. Depends. Put it back on. Now look. Easy as that. Next time I record, I won't be sounding so sick and shit and looking so bad. But, alright, y'all. Subscribe and like.